It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 20th of September. I'm James Spann. We'll maintain a fairly good chance of showers and thunderstorms through tomorrow, and then a major air mass change on Wednesday with cool, dry air blowing in here. Here's the upper air look today. Once again, we have a moist air mass in place across the region, a broad trough in place that's been producing the rain in recent days. But some pretty decent amounts of sunshine for spots today. There's the visible satellite view, not as overcast as the weekend. We've got a mixture of clouds and sunshine. And this was the radar around 2:30 this afternoon, the most widespread rain across the northeastern counties of the state. Temperature's a bit warmer today because of the sun that's come back. We've got mid-80s in spots, Birmingham up to 85, Tuscaloosa 86. Still a flash flood watch for about the northern half of the state tonight that will probably expire tonight, even though we do expect to see a number of showers and thunderstorms around tomorrow. Otherwise, around the country, things relatively quiet. We do note some freeze watches in mornings for parts of Colorado and Wyoming. And again, that is a sign of the times. Got a risk of severe thunderstorms through tonight from northern Arkansas and northeast Oklahoma up into the western Great Lakes. Tomorrow, no organized severe weather is expected, and on day 3, which is Wednesday, a marginal risk well to the northeast of Alabama. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west is fairly dry, and for Alabama, the bulk of this will be falling tonight and tomorrow. Really, after tomorrow, things are going to be dry for a while. Heavier totals for the Tennessee Valley, 1 to 1.5 inches, under 1 inch for the rest of the state. And the tropics are busy, but nothing close to the United States. We've got Peter and Rose. These are weak, disorganized tropical storms. The remnants of Odette up in the North Atlantic and a new wave out in the eastern Atlantic. This is the 5-day outlook concerning that new wave in the eastern Atlantic. That is Invest 98L. And most likely this will be a recurving storm. A high chance it develops, but obviously not a threat to the United States with that type of situation as the system gains latitude. Tropical Storm Peter, very disorganized. That will be hooking out to sea. And Rose, again, a weak tropical storm, will probably dissipate out in the middle of nowhere by the time the weekend gets here. So no systems threatening the Gulf of Mexico or the United States for the next 7 to 10 days, which is good. Let's go to the GFS model fans. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. There's your big trough coming down through the Midwest. And that's going to bring that cold front in here. But again, tomorrow, a number of clouds around. Showers and thunderstorms are likely at times, not raining all day, with highs in the low to mid-80s. And then Wednesday, here comes the dry air. Showers should be ending early in the day Wednesday, probably before 8 o'clock in the morning. The sky becoming sunny by Wednesday afternoon. A fresh northwest wind, averaging 10 to 20, maybe gusting to 25, ushering in that dry air and the high in the middle 70s. Thursday, we're headed down for the upper 40s and low 50s. Coolest morning we've had in a while. Thursday, a gorgeous day. Sunny, low humidity, deep blue cobalt sky. The high in the middle 70s, and the same thing on Friday. Many spots are going to be in the 40s. The high Friday in the 70s. Very dry air. Great weather for high school football. Saturday, a beautiful day to start the weekend. Lows in the 50s, the high around 80. Nothing but sunshine. And Sunday, a sunny day with highs in the low to mid-80s. Here's a week from today, Monday the 27th. Weak northwest flow aloft, and again, the weather stays very dry with highs in the 80s. We'll go out 10 days, Thursday of next week, September 30th, very deep trough over the east. And again, that looks cool and dry. Rain for Birmingham, we're going to be dry for a while, really after tomorrow. Not much rain at all. Rain amounts, the mean here, under 1 inch between now and the 5th of October. Temperatures, here comes the cool down later this week. The high on Thursday dropping to 73. Now, this is for Birmingham. It's got low 50s Thursday and Friday morning, but many spots will be in the 40s for the first time this season. And hot off the presses, the brand new CPC Outlook. This is for September 28th through October 4th. And if this verifies, temperatures here would be very close to average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless. Hey, this is James Spann. I think one of the best parts of my job, getting to do weather programs in schools. During regular times, I'm in a school once or twice a day, teaching students, mostly in elementary schools, things about weather and science. It's a really great part of my job. In fact, if I wasn't a television meteorologist, I would be a third grade science teacher. But one thing I've noticed over the years, some children, not all, but some, develop a genuine fear, a phobia of weather, especially thunderstorms and tornadoes. To offset that, I commissioned a couple of creative members of my family to write a series of children's books about weather. And the first one is out. Benny and Chipper, Be Prepared, Not Scared. Your kids will absolutely love Benny the Bear and his best pal, Chipper the Beagle Dog. It's a really good read about thunderstorms and tornadoes and how it's okay to be a little afraid, but you don't have to be really afraid. As long as you're prepared, you understand them, you know what to do, and you take care of yourself. Information is very powerful, and that starts a process of kids overcoming that fear. And this book is a really good read for any elementary school student. My friend Ginger Z of ABC News in New York, the chief meteorologist there, wrote a foreword here. Jeremy Davis, an illustrator, really makes Benny and Chipper come to life. It's a great read, and your kids will love it. I would encourage you to get a copy, and we'll have future books with Benny and Chipper about things like thunderstorms and the science behind them, tornadoes, and hurricanes. So get your copy today. Right now it's available online at Spann Book, with two N's, spannbook.com. And you'll see some other cool stuff there as well. Benny and Chipper, Prepared Not Scared. Get your kids a copy today.